Web Clipper is a tool working with Evernote to grab pieces of the web and make them useful and searchable and applicable within your Evernote. So, continuing the fishing theme, this is the Department of Natural Resources site, and I'm using Google Chrome. In the upper right hand corner, there's an icon for Web Clipper. And I just took a screenshot which defaults to the settings to where you can take a screenshot from here and you can write it up. Also, you can clip the entire article to save as a note. You can look at the simplified article to take advertisements and anything that's going to draw you away from the purpose. And then you can have a full page view, and the green line around it indicates how much of the page you're gathering. You can also bookmark it, which saves it sort of like a contact note or a business card to save and file and search later. Or you can take a screenshot. And we'll use a screenshot for this example. We're going to mark it up. There's various ways that you can mark this up, which are right along the lines of how Sketch works within Evernote. The image highlighter allows you to focus on the most important pieces. Georgia boasts over 4,000 miles of trout streams. All right, let's go catch some trout. Also, there are things that you can mark up, like I want to catch one of these right there. And then you can draw an arrow to things that are important. Remember to get that fishing license. And if I wanted to know what I need to do for that, got to pay for it too. And then if there's something I really like or want to check or have questions about, what's here? So maybe I want to think about, what is the news? Yeah, remember about that. How's the fishing going? Now, if it was another site or an image or something that you wanted to hide or not have available to others to see within your note, you can pixelate what's there, which eliminates the writing. And this is a nice feature for security. You can do this with any image, any piece of work that you wanted to hide. That just eliminated the whole paragraph. You can also search and make sure that you have the correct size of the page you want. And this will save it like a screenshot. You can apply or cancel. And then you can zoom in and zoom out and hold the control while clicking to pan. And you can also share and save. We want to choose which area we want to have this in. We do want to remember it, so I'm going to put it in my Now To Do file. And I also want to change my title so it'll save in the right way inside my Evernote. This is the Department of Natural Resources, so I want to remember where it's at. And add a tag for searchability. I'm going to put it in my folder for Now To Do. And I can now save this note. When I save the note, it's now syncing. And the nice thing about Web Clipper 2 is it finds notes that are within your Evernote notebook that exist already and draws those up so you can search them. I also want to look at this in a certain time. I want to add a date, and this is all still within Web Clipper, and it's going to save my date in my reminder. So if it's tomorrow, within a week, you can change the day. You can also change the time, and this is going to allow us to be more flexible and plan our time accordingly. So Web Clipper, Sketch, Evernote all work very nicely together.